Dictionary.
Dictionary apa?
Dictionary.
Dictionary.
Titik besar gitu artinya.
Yes, literally my inventory is big.
Bukan itu bang.
Sorry ass DJ.
Oke, yes.
Fuck anjir.
Kepada yang terhormat itu apa ya? Oh, for yang terhormat tuh
For
apa
honor.
anjir?
For honor.
For her itu
Apa sih?
Honornya.
for her honor tuh uang anjir.
Bukan horror, honor.
Oh,
Color.
Kok
Oke.
horror anjing?
for honor. Apaan nih for honor?
Ya
Honor.
terhormat.
Yang terhormat, bapakku, ibuku, bapakmu, mamamu.
Leader ketua kan?
Iya.
Leader.
Tukang bawa tangga itu, Cak.
Leader.
Red Indonesia.
Oh,
Astaga.
gas.
Ah.
Lanjutin, Cak.
Ini yang enak baca apa sih?
Lanjutin nggak?
Totally people Jatim. Yang ini apa? A baby ya.
Matamu yang baby anjir.
Suspect.
Baby ya.
Baby yang anjir.
Emang ya nggak paham. Ya apa nih? Please anjir.
Sebab akan didetail.
Sebanyak many.
How many people get food every day?
65. 60 apa tin? 16.
How many
Tiga
people
puluh
get
atau
contagious
tiga
of
belas.
coronavirus?
Kalau 13
65 people.
100.
Oke.
Udah 100.
35 people.
Sidoarjo 3 people. Oke. Surabaya 3 apa nih? 34.
Teratur.
Oke,
Dragon Screamer.
Oke.
Dragon Bee.
Apa tadi? 34 people. Oke.
44.
Tuban 111.
101.
I like mom. He had English language.
Bahasa Inggris.
Okay. I
Okay,
found
three again, please. Please.
did
Dictionary.
Dictionary apa?
Dictionary.
Dictionary.
titik besar gitu artinya.
Yes, literally my inventory is big.
Bukan itu bangsa.
What is this?
What is this? What is this? Anjing.
What this is?
What is?
This gitu,
What
Cok.
is this?
What is it?
What
What
is
is?
this?
What is this?
All time.
Can
All
you help
time.
me, guys?
Yes, I can help you. What do you want?
Oke, kamu ngomong apa anjir?
Tahu. Astaga.
Okay.
Oke, wait second a minute. Apa sih anjir?
1 minute aja.
Wait seconds lo pergi cepat bentar kemana gitu
Oke.
terus balik lagi.
1 second. Bentar amat anjing.
Wait.
My book English language.
Language.
Where
Inggris.
you?
Where are you?
Putin mission.
Where are you?
Table apa nek ngarani kuwi cuk. Alah nganggo basa Jawa cuk. Ulah Jawa ngomong Inggris cuk pelatungku.
Oke, lihatmu cowok emang.
Yo kan padha Jawa
Ini
cuk.
kok ya aku gak ngerti kau ngomong apa.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Salam.
Warahmatullahi
Jamaah.
wabarakatuh.
A few moments later.
Ogami ngorok lu
Long
anjir.
time ago in the island of Java, Indonesia, lived a few farmer. They had actually lived for some years, however, they had no children. Pani suara motor. So they happened to a beast called Buta Ijo. Anjir. Buta Ijo to give them kids. Buta Ijo was kenapa nggak Buta Green was a ferocious and powerful beast.